Hi superstars! Today I'll be giving you an update on Garri storage business in Nigeria. Garri is one food product that is commonly consumed by everyone in different forms. It is drunk with groundnut, it is made with hot water and eaten with soup. Different ways people consume Garri. And Garri is a product of cassava. During its season of harvest, there is always a the cost of Garri and its other products like fufu increases in quantity. Okay, during harvest, you could see Garri at 8 cups for 1,000 naira, 9 cups for 1,000 naira. But gradually, as we shift towards planting season, the quantity of Garri gradually reduces. Okay, so this affords people who are smart enough to know when to buy Garri and store to be able to make money in its season of scarcity. All right, so many people indicated interest in starting Garri storage business, and they were asking me when can we start storage? When can we buy Garri and store? That's why I'm making this video. I'll be telling you when to start Garri storage business in Nigeria and things you should look out for so you don't run at a loss. Yes, there is one very sensitive food product that if you're not careful, you run at a loss. So care has to be exercised during storage to ensure that your Garri is safe. Okay, it's not destroyed during storage, and you're able to make sales and profit after sales. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so like I said, during a season of scarcity, the quantity of Garri is reduced from 8 cups, 7 cups, 6 cups to like 3 cups, 1,000. Yes, we bought Garri at 3 cups for 1,000 naira, and we are gradually shifting towards that time of the year. Okay, so during its season of scarcity, it's mostly during planting season, and from December you notice the quantity of Garri started reducing. Okay, end of December. Okay, so some people have already started Garri storage business, and this first week of January, the quantity of Garri is still reducing. That's why I'm here to notify as many as are interested in starting Garri storage business that now is the right time to get started in Garri storage business. From end of December of the year before now to the first week of December, the price of Garri starts increasing starts increasing, okay, and the quantity of Garri sold starts reducing. As at today, Garri is sold at 5 cups for 1,000 naira in Akwa Ibom State, Uyo. Okay, only very few bulk buyers, people who buy in bulk in very large quantity and have access to reduced price, just a little bit of reduced price, are selling 6 as at now, and it's just about 1 or 2 people. Okay, so almost everyone is selling Garri at 5 cups for 1,000 naira, and by next week there's every tendency that it might reduce to 4 cups for 1,000 naira. So for those who are interested in starting Garri storage business in Nigeria, now would be a good time to go ahead and buy your Garri and store. But when you're buying Garri for storage, you have to be very careful. You have to look out for these factors which I'll be listing out. You have to buy a Garri that is well dried. Yes, in your choice of Garri for storage, ensure that the Garri you are buying is very well processed and dried. It doesn't have moisture content in it. Okay, because moisture is a medium by which mold and other things grow on food substances. So in order to increase the shelf life of your Garri, you have to ensure that it has low moisture content, thereby increasing its shelf life. Okay, my superstars, a good and well dried Garri should sound like crang crang crang. If you remember, I said something like crang 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 last time. Yes, you need to ensure that when you touch it, it has that cranking sound, very dry cranking sound, before you go ahead and buy it. And if it's not well dried, when you buy it, you have to come back and process it again and dry it. Yes, you need to get a pan, a gari pan, and then put it on fire and then turn it to ensure that it's well dried before storage. Okay, my superstars, so you don't run at a loss. And when you are storing your gari, you have to ensure that you don't keep it directly on the ground. Yes, you have to ensure you don't place your gari directly on the ground. The ground is a medium by which moisture can be absorbed from the floor to the back of gari. Even if it was very well dried, if you place it on the ground, it can absorb moisture from the ground, thereby destroying your gari. So ensure you place it on top of wooden surfaces to ensure that your gari is safe, and your storage facility has to be well fumigated to ensure that you don't have pests, you don't have rodents, that your storage facility is safe for your stored product. If need be, you need to fumigate it or use pesticide. Whatever happens, ensure that your storage facility is safe from rodents, pests, and insects that may attack your stored gari. And also you have to ensure that your storage facility doesn't have strong odors like chemicals smelling all around. Yes, if you place your gari anyhow, it can absorb some foul odor from the environment. And have you have you bought a gari and you smelled it and it was like smelling like a like dirty rat? Okay, okay. Some of it is as a result of the place it was stored. So you have to ensure that your storage facility is free of foul odor and strong chemicals, so it doesn't affect your stored gari. All right, all this I've mentioned will affect your the end product of your storage, and if you sell at maximum profit or sell at losses. Yes, people look out for things because gari is one food product that most people take directly, as in they just pour water, add groundnut, sugar or whatever and drink. So they look out for different things very, very well. They check and they check. So if there's foul odor, if it's rotten, if it has mold, if it's not good enough, most people will not buy it, and you may end up selling at losses. So you need to be careful. Okay, my superstars. In the meantime, if you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section and I will get right back to you. Alright, my superstars, have you liked this video? Come on, please hit the like button. Alright, so I'll know you love this kind of content and we'll bring more and more updates from time to time. Alright, my superstars, thank you for watching. Have you subscribed? Have you subscribed? Hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.